I'm Chandler.
Of the Mac and Cheese Studio.
This is Mac and Cheese Studios. That's Texas Pete Hot Sauce. And this is the Gummy Bear Hot Sauce Challenge.
Smells like asshole. You gotta eat the whole plate. Eat that poo ball.
Hang on. This is our poo ball, John Schumann. Don't you? Wait. Eat the creamy goodness. He's doing alright. Get closer.
It's like Mexican candy. This has been a Mac and Cheese production. And